Can you believe I created this entire kid's story using just one AI tool and a single prompt? Normally, to make a video like this, you would need one tool to write the story, another to generate images, another to animate, a separate tool for voiceover, and then editing software to combine everything. And honestly, all of that would easily cost more than $80 every single month. But today, I'm going to show you how you can do all of that using just one powerful platform called Magiclight AI. Not only does it save you time and money, but it works for every type of story you can imagine. Kids' stories, sci-fi, horror, religious stories, motivational stories, and much more. And the best part is, your characters stay perfectly consistent across the entire video, which makes your content look professional and high quality. You can even create videos up to 50 minutes long that are fully monetizable on YouTube. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because I'll show you exactly how to get started step by step.
Let's begin. First, go to the Magiclight AI website using the link in the description. Sign up using your email. Once you log in, Magiclight usually gives you free credits, so you can test the features without paying anything. Before we create our own story, let's quickly check what the community is making with Magiclight. You can scroll through and see kids' stories, animations, cinematic videos, and storytelling projects. Everything looks professional, colorful, and creative. And as a bonus, I have something really exciting for you. I'm giving away 3 free Magiclight Pro subscriptions to viewers who stay till the end.
तो बच्चों, ये सवाल कौन सॉल्व करेगा?
I'm tired of feeling like I'm the only one trying.
Whenever you doubt yourself.
Now it's our turn. To start, click on Create or Story to Video. Magiclight makes the entire process very simple by dividing it into 4 clear steps: content, cast, storyboard, and edit. We will go through each step together slowly so even beginners can follow easily. Let's begin with step 1, content. Here you'll see trending scripts that you can use for inspiration. Magiclight gives you 2 main options to start: Smart Script and Basic Script. Smart Script is perfect if you only have a small idea. You simply type a short concept and Magiclight expands it into a full story. For this tutorial, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to generate ideas. I've shared a kid's story prompt in the description and pinned comment. Just copy it, paste it into ChatGPT, and in seconds, it will generate 5 unique kids' story ideas. Read them calmly, choose the one you like most, and copy it. Now come back to Magiclight and paste it into the Smart Script box. Click Expansion, and Magiclight will turn it into a complete structured story. Then click Confirm to use it. Next, choose your video ratio depending on where you'll upload: YouTube, TikTok, Shorts, or Reels. Then choose your language. After that, you select your visual style, and this part is honestly my favorite. Magiclight gives you many styles like 3D cartoon, Pixar, Disney, realistic, comic, cyberpunk, anime, and more. For this kid's story, I'm choosing Pixar style because it's colorful, soft, and perfect for children. Now here's something amazing. You can choose video length up to 50 minutes. That means you can literally create a full movie. For this tutorial, I'll leave it on auto so Magiclight decides the best length based on my script. Once everything is ready, click Next. Now Magiclight automatically breaks your story into scenes. Each line becomes one scene with its own image. If you want, you can edit any scene text here, split long scenes into smaller ones, or adjust timing. A small pro tip: keeping scenes around 5 seconds long helps keep viewers engaged. You can edit now or later. Both ways work perfectly. Click Next, and now we reach the Cast section. This is one of the most powerful features of Magiclight. Your characters stay consistent throughout the entire story. You can click Autocast and let Magiclight generate characters automatically. If you don't like the result, you can choose from the built-in library or create your own custom characters. You can also use ChatGPT to generate character descriptions: their age, clothes, personality, hairstyle, expressions. Just paste those details into Magiclight and click Generate. If your character doesn't appear, simply change the filters to No Limit and it will show instantly. Once your cast is ready, click Next. Now, Magiclight builds a visual storyboard. Each scene now has an image. You can scroll and preview everything. If you don't like any image, just regenerate it. You can regenerate unlimited times for free. You can also edit prompts manually, or click AI Expand to make prompts more detailed. Now we move to animation. Click Animate and choose an animation model. For this tutorial, I'm using Hiluo02 because it gives smooth and realistic movement. You can let AI animate automatically or guide it with a motion prompt. And honestly, the results look incredible. Magiclight also connects with Nano Banana, Google's image editor. If something looks wrong in your image, just click Nano Banana and type what you want to change. If you want to add more scenes, just duplicate any scene and edit it. You can also write custom prompts for visuals and content. To include a specific character, just write @character name in the prompt. Now let's add voiceover. Click Voiceover and preview different voices. You can also clone your own voice. Choose your favorite, adjust speed, and apply it. You can also add sound effects for rain, wind, footsteps, magic, birds, and more to make your story feel alive. Now click Next. Magiclight will ask if you want to animate all remaining scenes. Choose Yes and let the AI finish the animation. After that, we reach the final stage. Choose your cover image, write a title, select fonts, add background music, and adjust volume. When everything feels right, click Generate. And that's it. Your full animated video is ready. You can preview it, download it, and upload directly to YouTube. If you want any change, just go back and edit. Nothing is permanent until you export. Now we've just created a full story video from a single idea using Smart Script.
Dapples the riverbank as Leo and Mia arrive, dust motes swirling in the golden air.
The river whispers secrets, an almost imperceptible plea carried on the gentle breeze.
Leo pauses, head cocked, a flicker of unease in his eyes as he scans the tranquil water. Mia looks toward the river, a concerned expression slowly spreading across her face. Help! The faint sound hangs in the air, barely audible yet impossible to ignore. The sunlight dims, shadows lengthening as an unseen presence makes itself known. Stagnant pools reflect the dismal sky, the river choked by rocks and shadowed by drooping willows. Murky water barely conceals listless fish, their movements sluggish in the tepid flow. Leo wades into the river, the cold shocking his skin as he steps into the shallows. The river's chill visibly tightens his muscles with each step deeper into the frigid water. He strains, muscles bulging, attempting to dislodge a melon-sized stone blocking the flow. Each heave is a battle against the river's inertia, the stone stubbornly resisting his efforts. Under the sun's intensifying gaze, Mia studies the massive boulders along the riverbank, her brow furrowed in concentration. She strains, using a thick branch as a lever to test the stability of each rock. Sweat glistens on Mia's forehead as she applies relentless pressure, her determination unwavering. The sun ascends, casting lengthening shadows that stretch across the rugged terrain. Nearby, Leo's hands are raw and reddened from the arduous labor, a testament to their shared struggle. Beside the river, Leo and Mia strain against a massive boulder, muscles taut and faces determined. They wedge a sturdy branch beneath the rock, leveraging their strength against the unyielding weight. A deep groan echoes as the boulder begins to shift, the earth trembling beneath their feet. With a final, desperate push, the boulder tumbles free, plunging into the water with a thunderous splash. Water erupts in a powerful surge, cascading outwards in a triumphant display of their combined effort. The river rushes forward, sunlight catching the newly freed water. Beneath the surface, silver flashes of fish dart through the clear stream. Willow branches sigh, their leaves drinking in the golden light. Vibrant green hues return to the riverside. A flash of blue heralds the arrival of a kingfisher. The kingfisher lands gracefully on a slender branch. Golden light bathes the riverbank as a gentle wave whispers around Leo and Mia's feet. The air vibrates with the joyous trill of a kingfisher, a symphony of nature's approval. Exhausted, yet invigorated, they begin their ascent up the embankment, their faces glowing. Their eyes capture the revitalized river, a testament to their shared triumph and effort. A serene silence settles as they perceive nature's gratitude. They smile, understanding the silent thank you from the river.
Let me quickly show you basic script. In this option, you paste your own story directly. You can use ChatGPT to write it, copy it, paste it, choose ratio, language, style, and continue exactly the same process. And just like that, you can create unlimited stories, movies, kids' videos, and YouTube content using only Magiclight AI.
Robo-Tim saw a missing star in the night sky. The town became darker and quieter. Robo-Tim flew into space using his tiny rocket shoes. Along the way, he met a sleepy moon cloud who was holding the lost star. The cloud thought the star was a toy. Robo-Tim kindly explained that the star helped children dream at night. The cloud felt sorry and returned the star. Together, they placed it back in the sky. The star glowed brighter than ever. The town sparkled again, and children slept peacefully. Robo-Tim returned home proud and happy.
Now, as promised, here comes the giveaway part. I'm upgrading 3 lucky winners to Magiclight Pro completely for free. Here's how you can enter. First, leave a comment below telling me what kind of video you want to create. Second, register for a Magiclight account using the link in the description. Third, submit your Magiclight account through the same link provided below. That's it. Super simple. 3 winners will be randomly selected, and their accounts will be upgraded to the Pro plan. The winners will be announced in just a few days, so don't miss your chance. And even if you don't win, you can still start creating by signing up with my link and get a 5% discount on Magiclight Pro. Start for free, create your very first story, and don't forget to share your idea with us, because we'll turn your idea into a viral script.
What truly makes Magiclight special is that it doesn't just create videos. It creates complete storytelling experiences. Every scene connects naturally. Every character keeps the same look and personality, something most AI tools still struggle to do. It's incredibly flexible. Don't like an image? Regenerate it. Want to change the mood? Just rewrite the prompt. You are always in control. And the best part? You don't need to be a video editor. The interface is beginner-friendly and flows logically. Create bedtime stories, documentaries, or educational explainers. One tool, unlimited possibilities. Tools like this are changing the future. Now, a single person at home can build a full animated YouTube channel. I used Magiclight to create this video. Try it yourself using the link below. Your imagination is the only limit. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to AI from Scratch for more. See you in the next one.